smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Day 9, early morning. All the pilgrims get up and they get on their way. The Camino has lots and lots and lots of art. And here's another one. It's the morning, waking up, seeing the moon. The hikers into the distance. There we are, moving along the trail. I think that is breakfast. Good morning, day 9. It's a slightly shorter day than yesterday. Yesterday turned out to be about 32k. Today's going to be about 28. We're having a quick 6-mile jaunt in the morning to get breakfast. But it's a beautiful morning. It's a bit cool, but we are fairly high, I suppose. Yesterday was all vineyards. So I looked up about vineyards and the different bushes last night. Different ways of growing. But today, it's a pretty flat day, I think. And this morning, we're just going through fields of wheat. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Coming in past all the warehouses for presumably agricultural products. On closer inspection, most of these things are potatoes. Local football. Everybody is different. We get there how we can. Woo. Walking towards the cathedral. There it is. Going the right way. There's the spire just poking out. Plaza Mayor, they call it. Legend had it that somebody was given permission to cut down trees only if they used their sickle. And they cut down all the trees. Egg and chorizo. So, just come up to the bridge. Puente de Santo Domingo y Aramita. So this is the bridge that made it all. And then over there is another stork. So this is the valley that the river comes down to go under the bridge. They provide all these poles for storks. A bit more for its nest. See a little one just poking its head up. Just walking along, looking around, seeing some chimneys with storks on top, crisscrossing the irrigation channels. On a bridge without a rail. Woo! Phew. negotiated. I think we have a temporary diversion. To be fair, they're very good at this. This way. Place of reflection for peregrinos. Even the bridges have signs. Coming in slowly to our next village. The path doesn't go through here, so not today. Oh, the trail is teasing. Almost takes you under and then turns you round. Coming into Gragnon. What a beautiful mural to greet you. So we're on Calle Santiago, and everything is on this one street all the way through the village. Incredibly old pulpit. Coming to the edge of the village. There's a statue, there's a water stop, and then off we go. So this is where we go, down that path, to the right. And you turn at that junction, and you go up and over. Hello. They're building a bypass. This is going to be cars all over again. Oh, there goes Lightning McQueen. Temporary path beside the new bypass. Takes us a little to the side of the village, but we'll get back. Cutting across the new bypass. Into the next village. That's its name. And a monument to the peregrinos. Another court. On the signs, somebody has crossed off all the Ilion bits. Clearly, they're building ahead. They're going to put a road in here, which is probably the junction to come into this village. But hey, that's what we want. Cacao! That flower and those leaves is a holy thistle. The new bypass involves giving underpasses for this path. Cacao! Nope. So you have to hike through this all day. Oh dear. Nice name, but hanging on to the Rioja bit. The next village. So a small amount of road walking to go down to a path beside the old road, and beyond the old road is the new bypass. I'll sum this path up in one. Ugh. Camino. One's got a blue brush, one's got a white brush. You don't often see peregrinos that look like they camp, but these two ahead look like they're camping. Into Belorado. Calamayor, the main street. And here we are. A huge square with a bandstand. Wow, beautiful.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.